Hey everybody, it is a fresh Sunday morning and it is the first Sunday of the month, and that means one thing and one thing only: it's the berry markets.
Berry is located 2 hours drive south of Sydney at the northern end of the Shoalhaven region. The tourist brochures will tell you that it's famous for its cafes and boutique homewares shops, but in reality its number one attraction is definitely the Berry donut van. On the first Sunday of every month except February, when the Berry show is running, the berry markets take place at the showground. Most of the stallholders sell homemade and hand-produced goods, but you'll also find generic market traders flogging potato peelers and juicers. In any case, it's a great way to spend a Sunday morning.
Alright, my first tip of attending the berry markets is...
take a bag.
Yeah, take a bag. That's a good idea. It gets very busy, and if you want to park anywhere near the showground, you've got to show up pretty early. What's the best thing about your corn fritters?
Made fresh with love.
And they're vegan and vegetarian and...
Yeah, we've got vegan, vegetarian options. We got an avocado smash with feta, mint and lime in it today, with pesto and a fig glaze.
Yep.
Topped with dukkha. And we've got a prosciutto with cherry tomato salad with caramelized onions.
Awesome. Sounds beautiful. Thank you very much.
Speciality is basically what we say in our bag: chocolate, those three things.
Cool.
So then we do nougat too, but yeah, chocolate. We've always done brittles.
Yep.
And yeah, they sort of work well together.
Everything's Australian except for cashews. I've got a wasabi and seaweed macadamia. The seaweed's grown locally. There's only one person in Australia grows seaweed. Yep. She grows it in Bomaderry in tanks. FICO health food.
So super local, super healthy food.
Yeah, everything I cook myself except for the cri-cri peanuts, and they're roasted in macadamia oil, not vegetable oil.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
No problem, mate.
Easy life.
paper mache, and I add a bunch of other things to them so that they're mold proof and they're bug proof, and you can sit them out in the sunshine and they don't crack or they don't go weird and distort, lose the color and everything. So I'm very proud of the outcome, and they're like my buddy in Canada has had hers for, well, what is it, 1990 to this is 28 years, right?
Wow.
I did my math right. And she has hers in the window.
Right here.
She got my very first chicken.
And also, you have the best hat at the show.
No, actually, I woke up one morning and this just grew. I haven't been able to get it off since.
That was a very enjoyable couple of hours wandering around the berry markets. We've got the goodies to show for it. Hope you've enjoyed our little adventure, and we'll see you next time on the Armchair Adventurer. Bye!